Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-350 Platinum in white platinum with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and an 8-foot box. This has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 and it's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a Platinum Ultimate package, which includes lane keeping, as well as adaptive cruise control, twin panel moonroof. You have power deployed running boards, and as well you have the Ultimate trailer tow camera. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. In the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding and extending mirrors and memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar and also has massaging seats. Your parking brake is located here. Power liftgate, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. You have power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, as well as a grab handle to make it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control with adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear. As well, you have a menu that you can toggle through. So we're going to start to the left, My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and they all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul, and when you press the end, it'll appear to the left of your odometer reading. I'm just going to turn down my fan here. And in the center, you're seeing the B&O badging, as well as a little bin to put items, exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, hill descent, lane keeping, and you have your 360 camera. So when you press on this, you'll see the different views on your screen, and as well, when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view, and there you go. In your sources, you have your media choices of the AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth, and there's your navigation, so your map will come up with that. Climate, you have heated steering wheel as well as dual climate control, and you also have your settings, so you can slide through for different options, things like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and the multi-contour seats is where you get the best massage ever. So you can actually push the button and have massaging in different locations on the driver and passenger seat. Love this feature. Down below you have your volume and tuner, dual climate control, so you can control it from the screen or you can do it down here. And you also have heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, as well as front and rear defrost, your AC and max AC. And then off to the side is your 4x4 with locking differential and an integrated trailer brake controller. There's a couple of USBs in this outlets in the center, as well as a little place to put things, and then you can just press that and it'll close it right up for you. You have a bin to put items, as well as a couple of cup holders, and you're seeing the light on the bottom. That's your ambient lighting. Your armrest opens up, and inside you've got a nice little bin. You can throw shallow things in there. Lots of room down below, plus a 12 volt. And then off to the side you have another 12 volt and 110 outlet. 2 glove compartments, the lower one's locking. Auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener. You also have your lighting controls and sunglass holder. These are upfitter switches, and you have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for. And then you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can actually slide this open. And there's also a power screen, so if it's just too bright, you can close that up as well, so you can control the light and air. And on the passenger side, there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. One of your cameras is located just above the handle, the other one's at the high mount. Light on the top of the cab. As well, you've got backup sensors, and you have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply double click your fob. You can also release it from inside. You've got a nice spray and liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And this 8-foot box is quite generous. As well, you've got a tailgate step that makes it easier to get in, and you're seeing that rod with the yellow tip on it. You can just put that up. That helps you get in and out. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away. or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You can easily lift the seat with just a pull and then lift it right up. You have a collapsible lockable bin, and you're seeing the box link connectors there. And then when you want to bring the seat down, simply pull the tab and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And then in the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's extra carpeted mats as well as all-weather mats, and they're in those bags there. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110 and USB outlets. You're seeing the little red seats, that's the heated seats for back here, and air vents. There's a grab handle in the body, up above, hooks and lighting, that panoramic view, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Colored bumper, dual exhaust, mud flaps, 8-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, and these are power scope, telescoping, trailer tow mirrors, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.